Hello guys and welcome to another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today we are going to learn how to communicate effectively and how to write and speak just like a pro. Those who are beginners and those who are learning English language skills, this lecture is going to change their mindset and their attitude towards communication upside down. So before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that I get supported and you also don't miss any update at all. Those who are new to our channel, I would also request them to start learning from the very first lecture so that they don't miss any information in between. So let's move ahead guys, and our mission is that we want to learn good English skills in easy manner, not very heavy burden of grammar or other things. So until now we have learned 12 tenses, which is really very basic requirement, and that's why we have learned it. It's not that much difficult. And here today, in today's lecture, I'm going to tell you that how we can make our sentence effective in an easy manner. It's not much difficult, it's not a rocket science at all. So here we have first of all a short sentence over here. My mom works hard. We are talking about our moms, right? All the moms work hard in the whole globe, right? So my mom works hard, and how we can expand this idea, how we can expand this sentence and make it effective. So my mom works hard at home, right? Very simple information we are going to add, not much difficult and not a rocket science. My mom works hard at home every day. So the bit of information that we are going to add is crucial in communication, because the at the other end, the receiver who is reading the message or listening to your speech gets a lot of information in one single sentence itself, and there are no many questions to ask. So that is the importance of this exercise and this method, and this way you can write initially and then gradually you can start speaking like a pro. So in the fourth attempt, what we have the sentence is, my mom works hard at home every day without a break or even a vacation, right? That's the reality, isn't it? My mom works hard at home every day without a break or vacation because she lives for us only. So that is the situation of all moms, whether they are housewives or they are working women. They all take care of us, and on the holidays or in vacations, mothers have all the burden of work because we are at home, aren't we? So let's move ahead guys to the next sentence. Don't skip the video ever, because I'm going to give you very vital information in our mission to learn English communications very effectively in an easy manner. So here we have the second sentence. Virat scored a century. This is simple past tense. Virat scored a century in Champions Trophy. CT stands for Champions Trophy cricket. Virat scored a century in Champions Trophy last month. Virat scored a century in Champions Trophy last month at Dubai. Virat scored a century in Champions Trophy last month at Dubai by scoring runs slowly according to the task. So see guys, how we can add the piece of information. All the time we practice the same sentence again and again. So this is the way you can also write and gradually speak like a pro. The more and more information you add, the more effective your communication become, and you make others understand very well as also. So we have the third sentence also in today's lecture. We had decorated. This is perfect past tense. What we had decorated? We had decorated our home. We had decorated our home in Diwali. You can have any festival of your choice. We had decorated our home in Diwali with earthen lamps. We had decorated our home in Diwali with earthen lamps because it is the biggest festival. Earthen lamps is the diyas that we use for the decoration in the festival of Diwali, or any festival in India particularly. So guys, these are the sentences and examples that can make your path very bright and clear, and this is the way you can make n number of sentences on your own by adding more and more information. If you don't fancy speaking initially, you can start with writing sentences like this. And wherever you get any problem or you find any difficulty, just mention it in comment section, and I would reply you to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for joining us today. I hope today's lecture will be really very useful to you. So don't forget to like our lecture, and also subscribe our channel and share it to your friends and family, so that they also get an opportunity to learn English in an effective manner. Thank you very much guys.